Chapter 11, Standard 7, Subject Science. Chapter 11 is Transportation in Plants and Animals. In this chapter, we'll see circulatory system and excretory system. So first of all, we have to understand the circulatory system. Circulatory system is what? It is very, very important. That means circulatory system is very important for our body. How it works, just we see. Okay, just here in human beings, digested food, water, and oxygen are transported to all parts of the body. Circulatory system, it works as a transportation medium in our body. Waste product also transported from all parts of the body to the removed from the body. Means for the process of transportation, that means circulatory system is required for our body. Okay, and also excretory system, that means removing waste product from our body, waste substance, toxic substance from our body. That means uh, it is removed, waste product is removed, that means from the excretory system. And transportation, that means happens in our body through a circulatory system. So circulatory system is consist of what? Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Heart, blood vessels, and blood. So first first we'll see what? First we'll see the blood. What is blood? It is very important to understand blood, because we all know that blood, but how blood is, what is the formation of the blood also we have to understand. Blood transports substance in the body, means it helps that means it helps to transport the substance in our body. Substance like nutrients, different types of that means nutrients is transported through a blood. So blood transports substance in the body. It has a fluid part called plasma. Means the fluid part, liquid part is known as the plasma. And cell, it has two different types of cell. First one is red blood cell. It is said RBC. Second one is white blood cell. It is WBC. And after that, fourth one is the platelets. So the function of all red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, all are very important for the human being, for the body. So red blood cells contains a pigment called hemoglobin. That means due to the hemoglobin, our blood, the color of our blood is red. So contain, that means the red blood cell RBC contain a pigment called hemoglobin, which transport oxygen. Hemoglobin helps to transport oxygen. Second is white blood cell, means WBC. It is a very, very important thing. Fight against the germs and protect us from disease. Simple thing, means WBC protects us from the disease. Platelets helps in clotting of blood, means it helps, platelets helps to clot the blood. Okay, so it is very, very important thing. After that, the second part of the circulatory system is the blood vessels. So three types of blood vessels in our body. Arteries, first one is arteries, second one is veins. First one is what? First one is arteries, first one is arteries, second one is veins, and third one is capillaries. Okay, capillaries. So after that, arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to the all parts of the body, and the wall of the arteries are very thick. Arteries have very thick wall. Veins, it carry carbon dioxide, means arteries, that means carries oxygen, but veins carries carbon dioxide. Rich blood from the all parts of the body to the heart. They have thin walls, means vein have thin walls. Capillaries are thin blood vessels which join arteries and veins. Pulse and pulse rate. Blood flows through arteries at a high pressure, causing throbbing movement is called pulse. Means throbbing movement in our body is known as what? Pulse. The number of pulse beat per minute is called pulse rate. Means number of the movement of the, that means pulse, is known as what? Pulse rate. The normal pulse rate is what? It is between the 72 beats per minute of a normal human That means normal pulse rate of the human is what? 72 beats per minute pulse rate. After that, we'll see the third one is we'll see the heart. Okay, third part of the circulatory system, heart. It's a very heart is what? Heart is a very sensitive organ of our body. Heart is an organ which pumps blood to the all parts of the body. Heart is what? Heart is an organ which pumps uh, that means blood to all parts of the body. The heart is about the size of it is just a size of fist. The heart has four chambers, two upper and two lower chamber. The upper chambers are known as auricle and the lower chamber